Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to sign into your BB&T bank account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your BB&T or your Truist bank account from your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google, and on the search bar click over there and type in BB&T login like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Truist.com like this and hit enter, because the BB&T bank has changed its name to Truist. And on the first result of Google, you can also see the Truist.com when we search in BB&T login. And let's click on the first result of Google, and you can see both of these websites are same. Let's close one of these, and now to log into your BB&T or your Truist account, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click on sign in, or if you have not yet created an account on Truist or BB&T bank, you can see the open account. Click over there to go through the procedure of registering an account on Truist. Now to log into your Truist account, you'll be required to enter your user ID over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Truist account. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, you can see the buttons for resetting your password and your user ID over here. Click on those depending upon which one you lost. And there guys, this is how you log into your BB&T bank account or your Truist bank account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.